YouTube. I know it's been a very long time since I posted. Coming from Japan and moving into a new house here down in South Carolina. Lots been going on. So I got a new truck, Samantha, right there. So I've been doing a couple things to her slowly but surely because the truck itself is expensive. But new and improved, I got the daily driver, which I have been driving since my sophomore year in high school. My grandmother had it while I was in Japan, and boy did she beat it up, but she kept it in good condition for Ohio weather. So this is going to be the new project car, and it's going to be built slowly but surely and one step at a time. Like I said, I don't know very much things about like body work, but there's scratches and dent. I took off the hubcaps because the hubcaps were kind of mismatched, and I didn't really like the way that they looked. And as you can see, these headlights are super foggy. Maybe you can zoom in. There you go. It's like you got these little cracks. So I got this headlight stuff, and I'm gonna try that today. This one is super bad, and this headlight is out, so we're gonna replace that. Kind of do a time-lapse video of that to get that all done and said. Like I said, I got to clean up this. Basically, there's some rust throughout it, but like I said, I don't know body work, so that's going to be a learning process as we go. A long scratch here. Some rust. So, dent and rust. Okay, so that was a lot faster than I thought. I watched a couple YouTube videos and they all said it was kind of pretty difficult to get this light bulb out. This is a stock headlight bulb. Basically it gives that like yellow whitish light. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and see if they have any LED lights, and see if I can get these headlights cleaned up and kind of shining much brighter. I don't like the regular lights at night. I just can't see, especially competing with everybody in their truck headlights and whatnot. Speaking of trucks, so I'm gonna drive the truck just because I don't want to drive this without a headlight out, because the cops around here kinda are very strict when it comes to missing lights and whatever not working. So I'll start the truck up so y'all can hear. Like I said, I have exhaust done to it. Basically it's just the cats and straight pipe back, muffler delete, resonator delete, and then I also have a cold air intake. I put that in instead of the stock one just so it could have better breathability. So like I said, I'll let y'all hear that, and we'll go get this LED light. Hopefully I don't gotta order it online, and we'll go from there. See ya. But first, let's get a cold start, see how she sounds. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go grab this light bulb real quick. Got a couple errands, I gotta get a haircut and whatnot. And then we'll get started. I gotta go pick up the headlight restoration kit thing, and I'll let you know how that works, and well, you'll see for yourself actually. All right, what's going on, guys? So I just got back from O'Reilly's, and they didn't have the bulbs in stock, the LED ones. So I ordered it. They should be in tomorrow morning. So we'll go pick them up first thing in the morning to get it installed. But before I put the restoration kit on, I want to show y'all. This is a running light. This is the headlight that's out. You kind of see like the veins in it. It's not smooth at all. It's all foggy. So this is everything it comes with. Comes out of the box. It's to do 2 headlights. You got gloves. You got all of the steps labeled for you, the sander steps and stuff like that. And here's the instructions on how to do it. Also, it leaves a YouTube link. There's multiple videos on how to do this. So basically, we're just gonna get started and pull the car in here and go from there. What's going on again, guys? So basically, it's been a couple of days. I got the light bulb ordered and whatever because O'Reilly's didn't have the current bulb. They thought they did in stock, but someone put the wrong bolts back in the box, so I just had to reorder them. But check out how big these are. Let's let it focus. So, I mean, this is the LED bulb, and it's much bigger than the stock one, so I'm hoping that it's gonna fit. It looks like it has the same housing, it's just gonna stick out the back further. So the cap on the headlight might not be able to close, which is kind of okay because on the passenger side trying to get the bulb out, the clip broke the second I tried to unclip it. It just snapped right off, so we'll see how that works. Hopefully no water gets in there, but if I can do something to kind of keep it closed, that's what I'll do, but we'll get it all seated in there and see how it goes from there. So let me hook all this up and then I'll show you the end result. I'll show you what the restoration kit did, and I'll talk about that, and we'll go from there. Catch y'all then. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I spoke a little too soon when it came to saying that the light bulb was very easy to take out. I definitely see why it is such a pain, and you honestly just need to take the grill and the bumper off to get the headlight out, because the spacing behind it to take the cap off to get to the bulbs is just such a pain on the driver's side because the battery's in the way. So you gotta take the battery out, and then you have to kind of fit your hand in this small space, so it's kind of ridiculous. But the headlight restoration kit, on the other hand, I think these headlights are just too damaged because they are still super blurry, as you guys can see. But the LEDs are in there, and from what I didn't know is that this bulb and this bulb are the same bulb, so I definitely need to swap this one out with the LED as well. But other than that, I mean, it's done and it's good to go. So now that it's dark, I wanted to see how the headlights actually look when it comes to driving. It just got done raining, but I want to see how these actually turned out and how bright they are in the garage. Let's find out. Let's see how bright they are in the dark. Oh wow, those are super bright. So let me know what y'all think, and thanks for watching.